and welcome to Awake Learning. India and United Kingdom recently signed a free trade agreement. Then what is this all about? This is a bilateral trade between two nations. This will strengthen the economic and strategic ties. It will allow the market access. So now what are the key provisions associated with India and UK? The basic question is, what is free trade agreement? Whenever India is going for such kind of agreement, there will be a custom duties elimination or reduction might be there, or some quota exemption will be there. Some prohibition can be eliminated when it comes to the trade part. This will enhance the economic cooperation between the two nations. Also, it allows the market access. Now, understanding about India and UK agreement, there will be a tariff reduction on some goods. The textile, leather, machineries, these are exporting from India will get an exemption. Even from the UK export, premium liquor, automobile, pharma sector will get exemption from Indian custom duties. And even when talking about the service sector access, the Indian professionals like IT experts, nurses, yoga instructors can move easily between two nations. And this kind of cooperation will enhance the foreign direct investment. There will be a liberalized norms when come to the investment. So this will enhance the investment ecosystem. Even the digital trade, intellectual property rights also coming under this provision. They will secure the cross-border data flow between the two nations. Even the labor mobility, social security coordination is happening to avoid double social security payment. This will help for the professionals, those who are visiting for a temporary assignment. So in turn, it will enhance the health concern between two nations. Also, it will allow the market access in the various sectors like generic medicine or public health can be ensured. Even the investment can be taken care. Even our important surplus production can be reach the global level. So this will enhance our manufacturing hub, also possible to contribute to the global chain supply. This is how the free trade agreement is going to help both the nations.